In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a moving stick figure in Krita. So to start, I'll just draw a quick stick figure here. I'll make the hands here. I'll make the body and the legs. I'll make the head here. Now to make it have motions and move, you have to first click on the transform tool. Then you gotta scroll down here and make sure you have this fast in the preview selected, and then select wrap, and then you go down here, you select draw, and now you should be able to put and place points on your stick figure. As you can see here, I'm placing points on each place where I want to be moving, like the hand and the heads. Now once you place the points, you click on lock points, and now you should be able to have a moving stick figure. As you can see, you could like move it and make motions with it. You could move the head, and you could basically do any motion and animation if you are looking to do that. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.